Right now, Instagram theme pages are a gold mine for making money, if you know what you're doing. If someone tells you this isn't true, they're lying to you. I've researched hundreds of successful faceless accounts, and I've uncovered why some pages make serious money while others struggle for like. But I'll prove why engagement is the real thing. By the end of this video, you'll know the best niches for making real money, how to set up your faceless Instagram page effortlessly, the hidden strategies to monetize like a pro, and the best part, you don't need to show your face or spend hours creating content. Let's dive in. Step 1. Picking the right niche. This is where most people fail before they even start. The niche you pick determines whether you'll make pennies or thousands. Surprising fact, a page with 50,000 followers can make 6 figures, while a page with 1 million barely makes anything. For example, the page Calisthenics focuses on calisthenics and provides tips on improving your body through training. They have a link in their bio that leads to their web shop, where they sell a calisthenics playbook for push, pull, and squat. They offer 3 packages. Now, hypothetically, if just 0.5% of their audience bought the smallest package, that would already add up to $5,000. And I know they earn much more because their conversion rate is higher, and many people buy the bigger packages. On the other hand, the page UK Gods makes little to no money because their audience is there for entertainment, not to buy from them. By the way, no offense to anyone, I randomly picked these 2 examples. I'm not trying to expose anyone's earnings or strategies, just making observations based on what anyone can conclude. Here's the secret. Your niche needs buying power, where people are already spending money. Step 2. Setting up your faceless account. After setting up your profile name, picture, and other details, it's crucial to adjust this segment to avoid losing followers. Set up your bio properly. Don't use it as a sales billboard trying to sell something right away. A good bio consists of these 4 key elements. 1. Profile name. Use it as a keyword people will search for. If you're in the weight loss niche and your username is weightloss7, don't repeat weight loss in your name. Instead, use something related like healthy lifestyle, fitness, or bodybuilding. 2. Brand description. Clearly state what you'll be posting and what people can expect from your content. 3. Value you provide. Think carefully about how you'll make your followers feel satisfied and grateful for your content, so at some point, they'll feel inclined to buy from you. 4th, community building. Focus on creating a strong community, a brotherhood, or a family around your profile. Stand out from the crowd. If any part wasn't clear, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll explain it further. After creating an Instagram account, many people make a mistake by using it as a personal account. Example, if you're in the fitness niche, watch, like, and save videos related to your niche. Why? Because with just one tap, you'll have full insight into all hashtags, trending sounds, and workout trends. Guys, next thing is very important, so stay tuned. Step 3, creating valuable content. Content is king, but not all content makes money. Most people just post for likes. That's a mistake. Here's the trick. Solve a problem. Teach something valuable. Make it shareable. If people share it, you grow faster. Keep it engaging. Use carousels, short videos, and captions that hook viewers. Example, if you're in the digital marketing niche, post tips on how to grow a brand online and make money. Step 4. Growing your page. Growth isn't about follower count, it's about engagement. Post frequently but focus on quality over quantity. Engage with followers, reply to comments, run polls, and start conversations. Leverage Instagram's built-in tools. Stories, reels, and carousels get more reach than regular posts. Step 5. Monetizing your page. Once you've built a strong enough community that is ready to purchase from you, move on to the monetization phase. Remember, you don't need 1 million followers to make big money. A few hundred people who are willing to buy something that will solve a problem or provide extra value is enough. Here are a few ways to make money. You've probably heard these methods 1,000 times, but they really do generate income. After these, I'll share a method that not many people talk about, but it can make almost 5-figure monthly earnings. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote niche products and earn commissions. 2. Sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to post about their products. 3. Selling your own products, ebooks, courses, or digital content. 5. Offering services. If you have expertise, offer coaching or consulting. Now, I'm revealing that secret method that no one talks about. It's about newsletter. You can make a lot of money with a newsletter if you send emails regularly and work on building the best mailing list. But there's another method called Beehive Boost. In short, it's affiliate marketing on steroids. Here, no one is selling anything directly. You're simply recommending other people's newsletters and passively earning from that. You might be wondering how? It's because other people invest money in their newsletters, set a budget, and determine a price for each subscriber that joins. So you earn from that, and it costs you nothing, and it costs the client nothing. Now you might ask, how does it cost us nothing and the person paying is surely a fool? No, that's not the answer. The person asking for our recommendation definitely has something to sell through their newsletter, so they need a bigger email list to sell to. Plus, they know the email stays there until the subscriber unsubscribes, and in the meantime, they can sell to that same email multiple times. The average cost per subscriber is around $2, but in reality, it can go up to $10. Now, if 550 out of 1,000 people subscribe to that other newsletter, according to Beehive statistics, that's $15. $550 equals $8,250. You're probably wondering, how 15? That's because you're allowed up to 3 boosts or recommendations. If the real average is $4 or $5, and someone subscribes to the second or third, which isn't uncommon, you earn without doing anything. Imagine when your follower count is 10 times bigger. Do the math on the possible earnings then. If this doesn't deserve a subscribe, I don't know what does. Step 6. Automating your page. This is where things get crazy. Once you've built your page, you can automate 90% of the process. Here's how. Use scheduling tools to post on autopilot. Set up automated DMS to convert followers into customers. Track your analytics to double down on what worked, or hire people to do all of that for you. With the right systems in place, your Instagram page can make money while you sleep. Making money with Instagram theme pages is simple, but only if you follow the right strategy. Pick a niche with buying power. Create content that solves a problem or gives value. Build engagement over follower count. Now it's your turn. Comment below what niche you're thinking of starting. Hello everyone, if someone don't know, I am Mirokazu, and I make videos on how to make money on social media. Visit my channel for more videos on this topic. Hit that subscribe button if you want more videos on this topic, where I'll explain in detail what content to post and how to use keywords effectively. That's it, sayonara.